Hello, this is my inquiry-based instruction project by Delaney Carroll. The investigation will be to identify an insect that the students have found. I'll engage them by showing them a short clip of Pixar's A Bug's Life, and that's the video I'll be using. And this, I'll use it to capture their interest and get them excited for the rest of the lesson. How students will explore is they will find a bug during recess with a partner, and they'll take a picture of it with the school iPad so they can use it later in the lesson. Once we go back inside, the students can explore the bug, noting its physical features. And this is a cooperative exploration activity that gives all students a concrete and equal experience. How I will explain, or how the students will explain, is they'll articulate their ideas of what bug they think that they have found with their table group and discuss with one another. As they're doing this, I'll move and scan around the room and clarify any misconceptions that I hear, and also introduce some key terms that we'll be using throughout the rest of the unit. I'll also help to connect their explanations to the experience that they had at recess and their engagement activity and explore phases. How they'll elaborate is after the students have figured out what bug they found at recess, they'll research more information about it, things like lifespan, habitat, diet, where they were originated from, stuff like that. And then once the students have gathered this information, I'd like them to create a poster about the insect to share with the rest of the class. When their peers are presenting, the other students will take 2 notes from each presentation, just so they can also learn not only about their insect, but about the other insects that their peers found. And this will help to generalize their new knowledge of insects past the unique bug that they found on the playground. How I will evaluate is I'll do a student evaluation, so they'll fill in the blank. I'll write it on the board, "Today I learned," and they finish the sentence. And then how I will evaluate them is that I will look over their posters and make sure that they have covered the information that I wanted them to, so lifespan, habitat, diet, and things of that nature. So how you can help your students participate in a more descriptive investigation is to be engaging. You have to use their interests to grab their attention. That's why I used the clip of A Bug's Life, because I know that students love movies, they love Disney, and that's a fun way to get them thinking about the insects and the rest of the lesson. You could use adjectives describing words and use all 5 senses. Usually they just focus on what they can see and feel, but you could also bring up, if you are able to taste it, then taste or smell, and things like that. The TEKS that I used was from first grade science, and it was to communicate observations and provide reasons for explanations using student-generated data from simple descriptive investigations. Thank you.